Tyrosine kinases are a type of protein found in cells, and they catalyze a chemical reaction, and so we call them enzymes. And this particular type of enzyme adds phosphate from ATP to tyrosine residues in other proteins in the cell, altering their activity or their interactions. We discovered them because we were working on animal tumor viruses, small viruses that cause tumors in animals, particularly mice. And we were trying to understand how these viruses cause cancer. And we really stumbled across the fact that one of these viruses makes a protein that has this enzyme activity. And it was really serendipity in many ways that we discovered this. But once we discovered the first one, we found a second virus that makes another enzyme that does the same thing. And with two examples, we felt we were probably onto something important. Not immediately, I would say. We had these virus models of cancer where we could be fairly confident that tyrosine kinases were playing an important role. But it took a little while for us to realize that they would also play a role in human cancer and become targets for a new class of drug. So not immediately, but probably within 2 to 3 years, I think we realized that this would be an important new drug target in cancer. So we have not directly been involved in discovering drugs, but I have worked on the scientific advisory boards of several companies who have developed tyrosine kinase inhibitor drugs, particularly Sugen, which was founded by Joseph Schlessinger, one of the other prize winners, and Plexicon, a second company founded by Joseph Schlessinger. And so I've really been involved in providing advice to these companies in how to proceed to make the best and most specific drugs. Well, precision medicine is a new term that means that we analyze every single tumor in an individual and determine its molecular makeup. And the idea is that in some cases we will find genes that are altered that make these tyrosine kinases. And when we see that signature in the cells, we know that it will be possible to treat those cancers with one of the kinase inhibitor drugs that has been developed to target that particular tyrosine kinase.